news development, a big move there by the Reserve Bank of India, which has barred Paytm or its payments bank, to be specific, from accepting deposits, top-ups from any customer account, wallets and FASTags after February 29. Paytm cannot get new customers after February 29 insofar as its payments bank or wallets is concerned. This could be a setback for the company. And let me go to Aishwarya on that note to understand what this really means. I believe Aishwarya is on the phone with us. Aishwarya, under Section 35A of the RBI Act, these restrictions being put on the Paytm Payments Bank, what this really means for the payments ecosystem of the country, given the fact that Paytm was one of the first ones to take advantage post-demonetization of the digital payments ecosystem. And now it seems they are in a fragile state, and that's why the RBI taking this action.
Well, absolutely, Abhishek. Before anything goes south, RBI taking a preemptive action, and RBI bars Paytm Payments Bank from accepting deposits, top-ups, and even any customer account, wallets, and even FASTags. So all methods of any addition of any new customers and any addition as far as money is concerned has been completely stopped. And this has been implemented with immediate effect, and post 29th of February, that is 29th of Feb, is going to be the last day for Paytm as of now, as per these records, that they can have any transaction, whether it's through any customer account, either it's through their own wallet or it's through FASTags, because FASTags is something which is used by maximum number of people, and Paytm FASTag is one of the most used FASTags on all highways. So this is something which the people of this country should be aware of, that post February 29th, as per the present orders of the RBI, the Paytm FASTag wallets and customer accounts will not be in use.
Okay. All right. On that note, thank you so much, Aishwarya, for bringing us up to date with this development, which is going to be of consequence for many people who have been using this particular company's online digital ecosystem, including not just the payments bank, but also the FASTag, which is important for highway travel. Okay, from one to another, breaking news development. We're keeping it fast-paced for you. Getting in visuals from outside the Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren's residence in Ranchi, in fact, where two buses have now arrived. Sources say the MLAs are being moved from his residence, and you see in these pictures these buses which have gone inside. It seems the MLAs are being carted away or are to be carted away somewhere. We'll try and connect with Prakash Singh. He's reporting live from Ranchi for us today, and he should be here with us in 30 seconds, I am told. But remember, Hemant Soren has been with his MLAs since morning, and in fact, we are told there are reports that he has got them to sign two letters, in one of which his wife, Kalpana, has been named as a possible successor, and in another, one of his colleagues has been named as a successor. So Hemant Soren there keeping his options open whether he wants to pass on the baton in case he's arrested post-questioning by the Enforcement Directorate later in the day. Remember, he has been, he's to be questioned. He's being questioned as we speak since morning, and if the questioning leads to arrest later in the evening, he has to pass on the baton to somebody. Let's go to Prakash Singh. He's, I'm told, live with us now. Prakash, over to you. What are these buses about? Are they meant to cart away the MLAs somewhere? And also, if you can share something about the possible succession plan that Hemant Soren might be putting in place in the likelihood of his arrest post the questioning by the Enforcement Directorate later in the evening.
Well, there are a lot of speculations, and in this kind of events, Abhishek, there are many rumors also that unfolds. But these two tempo traveler buses have entered into the CM house from the back gate, and I'm being told that they might have been the buses might have come to shift some of the MLAs to maybe some meeting place here so that they're all united and at one place. I am told that the private secretaries of all the MLAs and the ministers have come with their luggage as well so that they can attend the meeting together and be at one place. Maybe Hemant Soren, after this interrogation, might be holding a meeting. But behind me is the official residence of the Chief Minister, where the interrogation is going on. The questioning has been going on since 1 p.m. today with a barrage of questions that have been put up by the investigating agencies pertaining to the land scam. One, that did Hemant Soren actually influence the officials concerned to register a plot of land to private people, despite the fact that the concerned 2-acre plot was a government land and it is illegal. Second, on the confessional statement of one of the officers in the registrar, when the ED officials had conducted a raid and there were several incriminating documents recovered from the registry office, that at the behest of the CM office, the then Deputy Commissioner of Ranchi, Chavi Ranjan, who is under arrest right now, who is in jail, did influence the officers concerned to register the plot of land. So all these are being interrogated upon. Meanwhile, Hemant Soren has also registered an FIR in the local police station to preempt any action by the ED, and he is registered in the SC/ST police station, saying that these officials, these are named FIRs, around 4 to 5 officials have been named in the FIR, that they have been harassing me. I belong to the scheduled tribe community and they do not belong to the scheduled tribe community, and they are harassing me. In Delhi also, they searched my house, and there was a selective leak by the agencies that the car belonged to me, despite the fact that the car doesn't belong to me. He has written all these things in his FIR, saying that the cash recovery was also not his. So maybe he would have registered the case. If at all any action is taken by the ED, then that particular case, the institution of FIR against the SC/ST Atrocities Act would be enforced, and the Jharkhand police might take some action against the ED officials itself, and there would be a direct confrontation between the central agency and the state government police machinery. So all kinds of things being speculated, Abhishek, here, and the questioning will go on for further a couple of hours or more, but what I can sense is he might not be arrested because there are certain protocols as far as the Chief Minister of the state is concerned, and this is just the second questioning. So Hemant Soren is all geared up as far as the political action is also concerned. He's already taken the signatures of all the MLAs supporting the alliance government in Jharkhand, and in most likelihood his wife Kalpana Soren may be appointed as Chief Minister in case of any action by the ED if he's arrested, like we saw when Lalu Yadav had taken a decision in 1997 when he was charge-sheeted in the fodder scam case, and Rabri Devi was made the Chief Minister of United Bihar. So all kinds of speculations being made, but what I can sense is the ED might not arrest him as of now, but we are all waiting here for the ED officials to come out, or if any action that takes place in Jharkhand. Back to you.
Okay, Prakash, but tell us what's going to be the political fallout of all these developments insofar as the opposition space is concerned. For example, you think that this is going to weaken the bond that was there between JMM and the Congress or JMM and the larger India alliance if this happens?
Well, that's for sure, because the attention would be diverted somewhere else, and if they are engulfed in all sorts of corruption cases, first they would try and salvage the situation and manage that. So if you look at all the politicians, be it Hemant Soren, be it Mamata Banerjee, there Arvind Kejriwal, they're all marred with corruption charges. So it is further weakening the India alliance for sure. And Congress party alone cannot do anything, because the main purpose of the India alliance was to put up a direct fight against the BJP in every state. Now with Nitish Kumar gone, the original initiator of the India alliance, it has given a big jolt to the India alliance, and specifically Rahul Gandhi. And today Nitish Kumar hitting out at Rahul Gandhi that he doesn't know anything. So whereas the NDA bloc is marching ahead with a proper plan, a strategy, and whereas the India alliance leaders are settling their court cases as well as the corruption charges against them.